Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add timestamps to your videos in CapCut. So you can just add the video that you want to edit into CapCut like this. And to easily add the timestamp, you can just use the text template. So go to text, find the text template, and in here swipe through the category until you find time. Click on the time option and there will be lots of timestamps options that you can select it. So for example, here I'm going to just select this one. So click on the check icon and don't forget to adjust the length of the timestamp and also change the positions to your liking. I'm going to put it in here. Then if you want, you can also change the time by double click on the text. Here for example, I'm going to change it into this date. Click on the check icon and that's it. So guys, that's how you can add timestamps to your videos in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.